Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to fat loss exercise. First, understand that effective fat loss hinges on creating a consistent calorie deficit through diet and exercise. We'll focus on a balanced approach, combining cardiovascular activities to burn calories with strength training to build muscle. This combination is key for boosting your metabolism and achieving sustainable results. Let's dive into the specifics of each type of exercise. For cardiovascular exercise, select activities you genuinely enjoy to ensure consistency. Aim for a moderate intensity, where you can comfortably hold a conversation but are still working hard. Start with 30-minute sessions, 3 to 5 times a week, and gradually extend your duration. Incorporating short bursts of high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, can also significantly boost your calorie burn in less time. Strength training is crucial for fat loss because muscle burns more calories at rest. Plan for 2 to 3 full-body workouts each week, targeting major muscle groups. Focus on compound exercises such as squats, deadlifts, and overhead presses, which engage multiple muscles simultaneously. Choose a weight that allows you to complete 8 to 12 repetitions with good form, ensuring proper muscle engagement and growth. Consistency is paramount for long-term fat loss success. Make exercise a regular part of your routine, even on busy days. Equally important is recovery. Ensure you get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, as this aids muscle repair and hormone regulation. Stay well hydrated throughout the day and don't hesitate to take rest days when your body needs them. Tracking your progress helps maintain motivation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.